Hi guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and today I come to you with a very exciting video. My advent calendar from Oh Hello Feelings Co has just arrived, and all I've done so far is take the packaging tape off, which, by the way, how beautiful. And there was, let me find it, you'll have seen it in the thumbnail, won't you? There was just a cute sticker saying deliver this to Nikita, and yeah, everything, just, I need to get in it. I'm very excited. So yeah, everything's open and ready to go. Just a spoiler warning, if you don't want to know what's inside, then this might not be the video for you. If you want to know my thoughts and feelings on this, but you want to open yours first, then obviously you can always come back to this video after you've opened yours. Like, there's no time frame, my videos stay up forever. But yeah, let's just jump right on in because I'm very excited. Right, so, whoops, I'm knocking the camera. There is a little message inside and it says, oh, hello you, welcome to 2020. I'll get my words out. Welcome to your 2023 Advent Calendar, and thank you so much for your order. Here you will find 12 days of colourful feelings related items to open as you wish. Always remember that every feeling you have is real and it matters. So however you feel today, let it be and know it will pass. Sending so much love your way, Georgia. And then there's just a little part at the bottom about sharing it, tagging her in, you know, your goodies, but just be mindful of spoilers and, you know. But yeah, I feel very emotional about this because a lot of Georgia's stuff has really helped with my grief with my dad and stuff. So I wanted to get the Advent more than anything just to support the shop because yeah, it's helped a lot. There's lots of beautiful shredded tissue paper protecting everything. So I am just going to pop that off to the side. Oh, a little something extra. So I think I'm going to put that to the side and save it till last. And I'm loving the fact that I've done my nails pastel. I've genuinely thought this was my Hello Petite paper coming because I had an email and I didn't really look. I just thought it was that to say Royal Mail would be delivering today. But apparently it was this, and I'm very happy and very excited. So I've got everything ready to the side, and I think we can start with day one and look at this holographic envelope, guys. I'm thinking of maybe laminating it and using it to just tipping it into one of my planners for next year. We'll see. So day one, very excited. Yeah, so if you don't want any spoilers, guys, definitely click off now. Let's see, what have we got? I get paranoid now because last year when I was filming my Josephine Bow Designs Advent unboxing, I missed an item and I opened day 9 on day 6 and it was just a whole thing. So here are the goodies, and it says, good news, my thoughts are not always facts. And yeah. And then we've got drink daily, self-love. That's just perfect. And note to self, I deserve good things to happen to me. And I'm just going to film a planner with all of these things because sometimes you just need to remind yourself, right? So that was day 1. Moving on to day 2, and we've got this beautiful pink envelope. I saved all my envelopes from my Advents. Oh, beautiful. Look at that sticky pocket. I love it. Yeah, I saved my envelopes from last year's Advents is what I was going to say. I am thinking, do I have... Do you know, like, the clear overlay that you can get, and it's like got shimmers and like iridescent patterns and stuff? I'm thinking of putting that over this to preserve that beautiful pocket of feelings. And I can put all my mood tracker stickers in there and it'll be perfect. Okay, perfect. I am so glad I've waited to set my planners up now. Because I can see a theme. That's perfect though. I love it. Absolutely love that. So that's day number 2, day 3. There's so much love been put into this. You can tell that already. Oh, we've got a holographic. Oh, look at that. Oh, and look at my crusty nail. I've got glue. Oops. I lost this now just before I started filming, and I've obviously forgotten about it. And I've just stuck it on really quick and not looked. So I apologise for my crusty nail. But that's beautiful. And it says there is magic in this journal. I love that. I'm trying to see, where's the best? But yeah, that's day 3. So day number 4. Ooh, very intrigued. I think it's going to probably be better to just zoom in a touch. Oh my word. Oh, look at those washi strips. Oh, automatically I'm going straight to the stars. Okay, I love them. Oh, look at the, do you know what? I've zoomed in and it was a big sheet. I wasn't expecting it to be a big sheet. That is perfection. I think the stars and the rainbow are my favourite. They're perfect. I don't know why I wasn't expecting sheets of stickers, but then again, I don't know what I was expecting. So, ooh, day 5. Oh, I'm intrigued by this. I'm wondering, because you know I'm going to try and save this tissue paper, right? So I'm definitely taking my time to open this. I found last year when I was unboxing my advents, I was a little bit, like, I felt the rush to open them, and I don't know why. But there were, I'm assuming, when we brought the advents, I don't know why I love that so much. That was not what I was expecting, and I freaking love it. Oh my God. It's a little tub, and there's even stickers in there already. And the vinyl is perfection. I just want to put that out there. Vinyl, yeah. This is amazing. I freaking love it. Okay. Hurting and healing. I'm going to just try and show you one at a time. Hurting and healing. I can't believe how much stuff is in here. Blooming Brave. This is definitely me. Whoops. Full of feelings. I've got glue all over me, guys. I'm so sorry. Pretending I'm fine. Guys, I might cry a little bit. I don't know why. Always anxious. Not okay. Literally me every week. Freaking out. Always enough. And that one gets me. Never too much. As someone with BPD, like, if you yeah, that resonates a lot. This, I'm feeling quite emotional over this, and I know it's just stickers, but it's not just stickers, is it? You know, if you know, you know. But yeah, I love that. Right, so moving on to day 6. Right, what do we have in day 6? Oh wow, I love it. Oh guys, it's perfect. I love that I've got a little star. It's just like George's dog. I love it. Well, I've got 2 stars. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love that. Yeah. I just don't want this to end. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. So day 7. I'm definitely saving all of this packaging. Ooh, pretty. Right, so we've got Secret Feelings, adorable. My safe space, right? Oh, do you know what, guys? How perfect is all of this stuff? I'll hold it that way just so you can get a little bit of a better view. It's, yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. So that's day 7. And then moving on to day 8. Oh, this is a bit chunky. And 8 is my favourite number. Oh, I love it. That's adorable. Definitely going on something. I don't know what, but I freaking... Oh, that's cute. I'm going to have to hide this away from my niece because she's going to be wanting that. And it's not for her, it's for me. That's just adorable. That is really cute. I wasn't expecting anything like this, like especially for the price. Like, yeah. I genuinely thought that was going to be the bracelet because it asked for a wrist size, I think. But maybe she changed her idea. I don't know. But I love that. And moving on to day 9. Some pretty stickers. Oh, this is a big one. Oh my God. My worry jar used when needed. And there's 4 of them. Oh, I love that. See, these are just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah. I'm getting a journal just for my feelings, I think, for next year. I think I need it. Because the way these stickers are getting me in the feels, like, yeah. So, day 10, we're almost at the end. And, oh wow. Real change takes time, keep going. And I love that, especially with the butterfly. And again, it's got the beautiful holographic paper. I love that. Ooh, day 11. Ooh, she's a chunky one. I think I know what this is. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, it's a rainbow bracelet. Get out. I love it. Today was not the day to be wearing my chunky, not chunky, my nails. Oh, and I love it. Look. That's adorable. That is so cute. And I love the pastel beads. It's very pretty. Yeah. I'm going to have to put that away, aren't I? Because I don't want to ruin it for anyone. So I can't wear that now until until after the advents have all been opened, I think. Oh, but that is really cute. Definitely going to need to shave my wrist a little bit because I've got hairy arms. But that's okay. That's a me problem. Ooh, this envelope's pretty. It's like iridescent. So, oh my God, day 12. Ooh. That is cute. That is really cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. That's a really nice sticker. You could write important dates down, couldn't you, or anything. I love that. Or just decor, like, it doesn't... That's really cute. So, there is one extra. I don't know whether this was an exclusive or what. But it says a little something extra. And I think I was one of the last. I think I was the last but one, maybe even the last person to order the advent calendar. Because I know I ordered it and it literally sold out pretty much straight after. So it kind of been like an exclusive, you know. Without darkness, we wouldn't see the light of the stars. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. That's A6 size, right? I'm not sure, you know. I don't have anything to hand to compare it to either. But that is adorable. So guys, that is it for the 2023 Oh Hello Feelings Co advent calendar. There are a bunch of amazing things, and I'm just, this definitely my favourite item. I think that, yeah, that was definitely my favourite. But yeah, that's everything. So I'm just getting everything back in order. And I'm going to put this back in the wrapping paper, I think. But yeah, guys, that's it for this advent calendar. I absolutely love everything. If you've not already, definitely go and check out Georgia's shop, especially if you're struggling with your mental health, or even just for a boost to make you feel better. You know, like, she does a bit of everything, and definitely go check the shop out if you can. But thank you so much for watching. I hope all my feelings haven't scared you off if you're a first time viewer. But yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.